Hello, everyone, and welcome to my Story Club show. Dear friends, we have been arranging a Story Club show since last 1 month, and I would like to tell you the purpose behind arranging Story Club show is to give something our students to listen into English, and we have to make them able to think in English. We have to make them able to speak English fluently. We have to make them able to speak English powerfully. We have to make them able to speak English confidently, and we have to make them able to speak English fearlessly, and we have to make them able to think in English. And when they will be able to think in English, they will be speak in English fluently. And that is the purpose of our Story Club show, and we have to give them some moral lessons also. My dear friends, today there is a lockdown and there are many problems, and all the students or parents, I think they are disappointed. Some of them are in depression, and these stories are very small stories, but they are helping us to make us positive. They are giving us positive attitude. They are telling us the secret of success. So I liked these stories, and so that I'm trying to narrate you one story every day, and I am trying to motivate you with the help of these stories. So my dear friends, the title of today's story is The Greatest Gift is Love. My dear friends, the name of the story is The Greatest Gift is Love. Love is very important in our life, and I am going to explain it with the help of a story. The story is very small, but story is beautiful. The story is very wonderful story, and you also would like to listen this story completely. My dear friends, there was a woman, and she was a housewife. One day she was working inside her house, but she heard some sound, she heard some noise outside her house. So that she came out of her house, and then she saw that there were three men outside her house, and they were old men. They had beard, long beard, and their beard was white. Then the woman saw them, but she could not recognize them. They were not familiar with the woman. So she asked them, she told them, I'm not familiar with you. I'm not able to recognize you, but I think you will be hungry. So you come inside my house and have some food. You come inside my house and take a food. I will serve you something to eat. Please have food in my house. So please come in. But they asked her, Dear lady, where is your husband? Is your husband at home? Is the man of this house inside home? And she said, No, my husband is out. My husband is not inside my house. He is not at home now. Then they said, If the owner of this house is not in the house, then we cannot come into your house. And she said, Okay. She went inside. Then at night, her husband came home. Her husband returned home from his office, and when her husband came home, the lady told this story to her husband. The lady told the incident which had happened with her to her husband. Then her husband said to her, Okay, now you go and call those men inside. Tell them that I am at home. And then she went outside, and the old men were there. All of them were there. The three men were there. And she said them, Now my husband has come home. So now you can come inside my house and you can have food with us. It will be our pleasure to have food with you. So please come in our house. Come inside our house. But they said, we all three cannot come together inside your house. So you will have to ask your husband to whom he would like to invite. And that fellow said, I am Love. My name is Love. And this fellow's name is Success. And this fellow's name is Wealth. And we three don't come together. So go inside and discuss with your husband and ask your husband to whom would he like to invite. Then that lady once again went inside and she told her husband that they are saying they all three cannot come together inside our house, and they are saying that we can invite only one of them at one time. And she said that they are saying that their names are Wealth, Success, and Love. So whom should we call inside? And when the husband heard this from his wife, he said, very nice. We will call Wealth inside our house, and he will fill our house with wealth. We will become very rich. So that according to me, we should call Wealth inside our house. But wife disagreed with her husband. She said, no, we will not call Wealth inside. According to me, we should call Success inside our house. And if success will come inside our house, all of us will become successful. And when we will become successful, automatically we will become rich, or we will be able to earn a lot of wealth. We will be able to earn a lot of money. And when husband and wife were having conversation, when husband and wife were talking with each other, when husband and wife were discussing this matter, they had a daughter-in-law. And daughter-in-law was in another corner of the house, and she was listening the conversation of her father-in-law and mother-in-law. She came there and she said, no, I think we should call Love inside our house. If love will come inside our house, then our all house will be filled with love. Everybody in our house will be happy. And it is my opinion that we should call Love inside our house. And then all of them agreed with that. Both of them agreed with their daughter-in-law, and they said, okay, we will call Love inside our house. Then the lady went outside and she asked them, who is Love out of you? Whose name is Love? And she said, my husband has invited Love inside my house to have food with us. Then the old man, whose name was Love, stood up and he started walking inside the house. When that old man, Love, stood up and started walking inside the house, Wealth also stood up and Success also stood up, and they started following Love. Then the woman was surprised. She asked them, you said me that you three cannot come inside house at one time, or you three don't come together inside my house, and now all of you are coming inside my house. I did not invite Success. I did not invite Wealth. I have just invited Love. And why you, Success and Wealth, are following Love? Then they said, if you would have invited Success, then the other two would not have entered your house. If you had invited Wealth, then the other two would not have come inside your house. But you invited love, and we follow love. Wherever there is love, we success and wealth follow him. We don't leave him alone, and you call love. That's why we automatically are coming with love. My dear friends, you may have understood the story. What is the moral of the story, or what is the lesson of the story, or what we can learn from this story? We can learn from this story that if there is love in our family, then automatically wealth and success will follow them. And my dear friends, what do we try to do? We try to achieve success in life. We try to achieve wealth in life. We run behind success. We run behind wealth. And while running behind wealth, while running behind success, we forget love. We family members don't love each other. Why? Because our purpose in life is to earn more money. Our purpose in life is to earn more wealth. And we forget love. And where there is no love, there is no wealth and there is no success. So, from this story, we have to decide that there should be love in our family. All the family members should love one another. And when they will love one another, when they will take care of one another, when they will give respect to one another, then there will be happiness in their house. And when there is happiness in their house, automatically success will come there. And when all the family members are successful in their business, or they are successful in their job, then when there is success, wealth will automatically come inside our house. So, my dear friends, now I would like to tell you my opinion about this story. Love is very important in life. If there is no love, then there is no success and there is no wealth in life. So, what is important? Love is very important. How should be the atmosphere inside our house? Always the atmosphere should be happy. All the members should love one another. All the members should give respect to one another. All the members should take care of one another. And all the members should be cooperative. All the members should be helpful. When all the members are cooperative, helpful, and they should discuss with each other on every matter or on every issue, they should discuss with each other. And when they have to take some decision, they should sit together and they should take decision. And finally, I will tell you that love is very important in life. There should be love between husband and wife. There should be love between parents and children. And there should be love among the family. The family should love each other. The family should give respect to each other. The family should care for each other. And when there is love, there is success and there is wealth. And we have to remember this lesson today from this story. My dear friends, if you like this story, please like it, comment on it, share it, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, then please, I request you to subscribe my channel. That's it. Thanks a lot.